With this Superlift 7-inch lift kit, you'll be looking down on everyone. Literally. Superlift's 7-inch lift kit is more than just a lift. It's intentionally overbuilt to be the best, and Superlift's quality sets it apart from the competition. Just look at these heavy-duty 1/4-inch plate cross members. Not only do they add strength and durability, but they also feature that sleek Superlift S logo laser cut right into the material, giving your Tundra that modern aggressive look. Another standout feature is the adjustable rear coil spring spacers. Unlike fixed height spacers, these allow you to achieve a perfectly level stance, ensuring your Tundra looks as good as it performs. This kit includes everything you need for a complete transformation. Superlift ensures your Tundra handles and performs just like a stock truck, but with all the benefits of a lifted one. And oh yeah, you're going to get a massive boost in ground clearance, so you can take on obstacles and rough terrain without breaking a sweat. This kit not only keeps OEM alignment specifications, but it also maintains your Tundra's ride quality and handling. All of these features together make sure you have a smooth and comfortable drive on and off the road. You will need at least 20-inch wheels to run this kit. And finally, let's not forget that rugged, tough look that this lift provides. You'll be looking down on everyone and turning heads wherever you go. If you want to know more about the Superlift 7-inch lift kit, or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.